Adding cornmeal to this gardener soap is just enough to make it rough and tough for washing up right after doing some gardening work. So we're going to start with the avocado base here, and we're going to add a tablespoon of cornmeal. That's going to make it a good scrubbing soap. And we're also going to add some chamomile, about a teaspoon of that. And we have here our golden poppy colorizing powder. A little sprinkle of that. We're going to use our chamomile. I'm sorry, not chamomile. We're going to use lemongrass fragrance for our outdoor gardening soap. This soap is also good to keep handy by the hose for anybody that's been working on the car with all these good scrubbing additives in there. And we're going to stir it all up and just put it into our mold here to set up. Well, let's let that set. All right, this soap has set hard and is ready to pop out. And here we go with the added cornmeal. This soap is a great soap for all those rough and tough jobs, gardener soap.